CAT C20T Auto Floor Scrubber with Traction Drive Quick Start Guide. This video guide will help get your floor scrubber set up and running quickly. Review the complete instruction manual included with your floor scrubber. Scan the QR code on the carton for additional CAT product details, specs, and accessories. Cut away the plastic wrapping and poly banding from the outer carton. Remove the staples at the base and lift the carton over the floor scrubber. Remove the wrapping from the machine. Remove the wood chocks and wheel strapping on both sides. Lower the built-in pallet ramp and check for clearance prior to machine roll-off. Step on the rear pedal to raise the front pad driver and lift the rear handle to raise the squeegee assembly. Remove the instructions and cables from the recovery tank. Release the recovery tank latches and lift to access the battery compartment. Refer to the wiring diagram illustrating the proper connections. Connect the red ring terminals to positive posts and black ring terminals to the negative posts, according to the diagram. Complete the wiring setup by connecting the battery plug to the power plug. Use the included charger to fully charge the batteries. Connect the charger to the external charging port on the rear of the machine. Test the GFCI breaker by first pressing the reset button, the test button, and then the reset button once again. During a charging cycle, keep the battery compartment open. The solid yellow light will illuminate and indicates normal charging. Press the power button for 2 seconds to activate the touchscreen. Enter the default code 0000 to log in. Drive speed, water flow, brush, vacuum, and drive controls can all be selected from the touchscreen. Press the reverse button on the screen and back the scrubber down the ramp. Press neutral on the screen to park the machine. When operating, press neutral first before switching from forward to reverse. Loosen both knobs on the squeegee assembly and place it at the rear of the machine. Align the knobs with the slots on the squeegee assembly. Once installed, tighten both knobs and connect the vacuum hose to the center. Remove the cap and fill the tank with clean water and the proper cleaning solution. Check the water level gauge to avoid overfilling. Ensure the water valve at the base is in the horizontal open position. Install the correct type of scrubbing pad based on your floor care and scrubbing needs. The pad driver is included and pre-installed. Scrubbing pads are sold separately. Lower the squeegee to the floor by lowering the rear control handle. Lower the pad driver to the floor by disengaging the rear pedal. Activate the brush and vacuum motors from the control panel. Select forward on the touchscreen to activate the auto traction drive. Grip the traction drive paddles located in the handles to propel the machine. Your CAT C20T Auto Floor Scrubber is now prepared and ready for operation.